30 policemen, including an SP, have been killed in not just one but two Maoist attacks in Chhattisgarh. 26 of police personnel, including a superintendent of police, were today killed in the separate incident.
Coming as a deep surprise and a blow to the security forces' morale, because generally it is
not one but two attacks taking place by the Naxals targeting police vehicles. Now, which specific areas did these attacks take place?
Rupali, these are some of the worst affected jungles of Chhattisgarh. There are particular places. One is called Rajnandan Gaon. This is a block. Rajnandan Gaon is not a district in itself. The entire district is of the Dantewada and adjoining district of Bijapur. So the fact is that, in Rajnandan Gaon, the major casualty took place in the first attack, in which the SP of the district was also blown.
A bitter truth is hidden in these vast forest stretches of Jharkhand. A growing army of 12 Naxal groups armed to the teeth. Newsax managed to speak with one of them. Karim is an area commander of the dreaded MCC group.
हम लोग पूरे झारखंड और बिहार में कुछ भी करने पर उतारू हो जाएंगे. ये जितने भी कहीं भी हम लोग विस्फोट भी कर सकते हैं और प्रशासन को कभी चैन के नींद नहीं सोने देंगे.
Karim is not boasting, and more than the Naxals themselves, it is their spiraling firepower that is causing worry to the security agencies. The major Naxalite groups in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are MCC, TPC, JPC, the PLFI, the JLT and JSMM. Between them, they say they have over 20,000 sophisticated weapons, including AK-47s. Some even go to the extent of claiming they have rocket launchers, grenades, high-powered landmines, remote-controlled explosive devices, night vision equipment and even bulletproof jacket. Reports suggest that the Naxals have set up mini gun factories in the deep forests of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. The fear now is that soon Naxalism could pose a bigger challenge to the security forces than terrorism. And it also puts a question mark over our preparedness level to deal with it.